Hey guys, Wix100 here, back with another programming resource. Today I'm going to show you NuGet. NuGet is a repository, kind of. It's a place with lots of external libraries for people to use for programming, for .NET applications. So this will be useful for my C# tutorial, which is coming out on Friday, because Friday I will show you how to actually use external libraries, whether you download them from some other website or get them through NuGet. But NuGet is very useful because there are all kinds of packages, as they call them, that people have uploaded to make things useful, like Newtonsoft JSON. That's very useful for reading and parsing JSON files, because, well, you don't want to have to write the code to parse that yourself. It's a lot easier to just import that, and voila, you can now easily read a JSON file for whatever you want to use a JSON file for. Also, if you use .NET Core instead of .NET Matrix, which, as far as I know, if .NET Core is not yet finished, I don't think. I think they're still working on transferring things from the framework to Core. You will be using NuGet to get different .NET packages and uses out of it. So NuGet has a lot of different libraries. So if you click on one, like Newtonsoft JSON, you can then visit the site, visit the repository, check out the license. Everything is licensed. So before you use something, you might want to check out what you can actually do with it legally. Now, if you're using it for personal use, then no worries. But if you're making a program that you want to actually sell or release, you might want to check the license to make sure that you're not using something that you might actually have to pay for in order to release it. But you can click here to download it. As you can see, the version history. Or if you're using Visual Studio, which I quickly opened up the solution for a future C# tutorial, you can right click on references, hit manage NuGet packages, go to browse, and it has the exact same things listed here. And you can search through it like Ceph Sharp. Ceph Sharp allows you to make a Chromium web browser with .NET, by the way. Just what popped into mind. And here's all the things related to Ceph Sharp. So that's NuGet. Very useful for speeding up your programming process, because you don't want to have to code every single little thing if you don't have to. If someone already made it and they're letting you use it, then why not use it? So there you go. NuGet has all kinds of useful things for you to use. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like button, subscribe. Links are down in the description. Till next time, bye.